Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can make our photos look better with CapCut editor. So let's get started. Here I have my CapCut opened, and the first thing we should do is we have to select the photo that we want to edit, and we can click on photo editor right here and select the photo. And for example, I'm going to edit this photo, so just tap on the photo like this, then click on edit button to start editing the photo. Alright, and we're going to make this photos look better, so just tap on adjust button right here, and I'm going to reduce the shine. So just go left if you want to reduce, and if you want to increase the effect, you can go right. I'm going to reduce the shine, and also for the brightness, I'm going to reduce it, and for the exposure as well. Then I'm going to increase the contrast, so just go right like this. And also for the saturation, just tap on it, and I'm going to increase it like this. And also for the vibrance, I'm going to increase the vibrance just a little bit. Then for the sharpness, just increase the sharpness. Alright, and after we are done, we can click on the check mark button. And this is the result, guys, and let's compare to the previous photo. Let's compare to the photo before I edit the photo. So I'm going to click on the back button. So this is before editing, and this is after editing. It looks better, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can make our photos look better with CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.